Just being able to come outside and the skills that they've learned within my construction classes and my intro to ship design classes allows them to come out here and make this a reality for students.
And if it's easier just to grab it with those gloves on, you can do that. It's just difficult is all it is. Perfect.
I am helping make a weather station, and I had the nails to put it in and help put pieces together for it. And I also mix some kind of cement thing to help keep the soil and the weather station in the ground so that it doesn't come out.
Kids could gather some form of hands-on learning. They could come out here and experiment with these, gather the data themselves. It adds like a little fun edge to the education for the kids in their science classes. All the data will be flooded into NASA, and it'll be on a national database so anyone can access it whenever need be. You'll have air quality and air temperature, you'll have the soil quality, and you'll have the amount of rain, the amount of precipitation in the area.
So every school will have one of these. The teachers were to go through training in January, but the weather was really bad. We had snow days, so they're scheduled to go through training in March. And then 2 teachers from every school will know the protocols, scientific protocols to follow to measure this data so that it is collected like everybody else is doing it, so then it can be shared and it's valid, reliable data that can be shared with NASA.
I know I've always been a hands-on learner. I didn't like learning in the classroom. I know my students appreciate getting out of class and be able to make a difference for some of the younger kids in Hampton.
I think more than just the data that it collects, I think it's more about the experience for the kids, sort of them getting a knack for science, them getting better at more hands-on skills, not being able to just like look at something that gives you data, but to come out here and find the data yourself, check the data yourself. I think it's just an important experience for the kids.
I did really enjoy building things because I like to get my hands dirty. I like to do hands-on things, so I really did enjoy making this stuff and doing stuff that girls usually don't like to do. I like it.
So our students are, developing scientific literacy and data literacy, and these students at the Maritime Academy are the ones that are absolutely making that a reality for students all across Hampton City Schools.